everyone, welcome to Lisa Marvin Art. I am so excited about this one. Spoiler alert, I already did it. And I'm doing the intro now because originally I was gonna put this piece up for the auction for my California Fire Foundation, and which, by the way, everything is still open until Sunday, tomorrow, 8 p.m. EST. We've already doubled my goal, which is so amazing. So I had made two pieces. And I loved this piece, and I was gonna put this piece, but then I put it to a vote to my friends. Everyone chose the other piece. I still even like this piece more, but what do I know? My goal was a sunset ombre inspired flowers. Now, doing what I did in this one, simple flowers, is actually really difficult. So it is, I kind of achieved my goal, which, you know, rarely happens. So there's a few tips and tricks that I'm going to show you in this video of how to make your flowers really cute, really simplistic. I love the colors, and at the end I'll show you the resin result. So please enjoy and let me know what you think, and see you soon. Bye. Okay, let's do something challenging. First of all, I got this new hairdryer from Amazon called PP. I liked it because it had this flat mouth, and when you turn it on, you can choose the temperature, hot, cold, medium. However, I did try it because the reason I got this is because I wanted to avoid too much flare out. It does give flare out, but it is kind of cool. Some people tape the sides, you can do that, but we're just kind of, because we want natural looking flowers. That's the vibe, okay? It's gonna be, in my head, 3 ombre-ish blooms, okay? And for the base paint, we're using Sherwin-Williams Color to Go Tricorn Black. Now, this method, I don't want to have to spin out the blooms at all. So I'm going to put my pillow paint down and stretch it out. So maybe I only have to spin it like one time once I do my blooms. Let's see how it goes. I do see some bloopies. When you blow out and there's not a thick layer of base paint, your paints don't go far and you do blow into the paint, but again, we're kind of going for flowy. So you could either stretch it out like this or spin it. I see some bloopies here. Hold on. So, yeah. Okay, so for my first bloom here, it's gonna be like the sun. So we will have the golds and oranges and a touch of pink right here, technically. So I am going to use TLP Gilded because it's like so bright. All right. So yeah, let's just put it right here. Hi, honey. Okay. I just started, so we don't know yet. Okay, TLP Gilded. Okay, now, the problem I have is I have to be aware because I really only have 1 or 2 tube paints.
Are you talking to the viewers?
I'm talking to the viewers. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is a touch of orange up here, like this, okay? And a touch of TLP Comet. Wait a minute, in between, should I put a tube paint? No, I'm only gonna do piggies on this one and hope for the best. And then here's the touch of Comet. And my tube paint on top is gonna be the light yellow, okay? And we're gonna go like this. Okay, so the goal is I'm gonna put my cell activator here and only blow out like 2 times and maybe a little bit bottom. So I'm gonna put the cell activator at the bottom of the line. All right, Mo, this is it.
Sorry.
Okay, careful of the light. Okay, go sit. Good. It's very precarious here. Okay,
Yes, I like that.
here we go. Turn it on. Okay. Very flowy and pretty, right? I'm just breaking up the cell activator so the cells don't get too big, but I like the idea we have here. So here, why don't I'll go more pinks, and then here we'll go blue, and still hoping for the best. Okay, so for the pinks, I'm not gonna add gold this time. I'm gonna start with a bit of the orange Horizon. Okay. And I wanna get them close enough where I can kind of connect them.
So, how are you feeling about this?
I'm not sure. I really like my first blowout, but of course, you know how it goes.
Yeah, things happen.
Things happen. So on top of the Horizon, I'll start with TLP Persephone.
Would you say painting erosion is a thing?
Painting erosion.
Mm-hmm.
Like paintings get ruined?
You know what erosion means?
I do. Hold on. This is TLP Comet. Okay. And yeah, that's all I'm going to do for this one. And the same thing, I'll do the yellow, the light yellow.
What technique are you using?
This, I'm blooming.
You're blooming, okay.
Yeah.
You're kind of blooming.
Yeah. Okay, let's do the cell activator. And we're going to do the same thing, and it's going to look pretty. Are you ready for it to look pretty? All right, here we go. Okay. All right. I'm liking the shapes.
Can I see?
Uh-huh.
Okay, that's good. Yeah. Is it good enough, though?
Well, we're not going to know until the final spin. Okay. Now, you can see why I don't want to spin it out too much because I really like the way it's looking. And I don't want it to warp too much. Okay, over here, we're gonna go blues.
You're gonna blues?
Blues. I am gonna start with Persephone and then add some blues.
I love you.
I love you too, boo-boo. Okay, ready? Persephone. Just a bit, okay? Then, we're gonna go aquamarine.
That sounds fun.
It's such a gorgeous color. Okay, then I'm gonna keep it simple and go velvet.
I like the velvet idea.
It's one of my faves. Okay, then the same thing with the lemon yellow. Okay. All right, blowout. Let me just do this. Okay, cell activator. Here we go. Okay. Okay. All right, how are we looking? Kind of cool, right? I know it's very plain and simple, but if I can do it correctly, okay, sorry, my family's playing. Okay, if we can do it correctly, simple can be good. Is it giving sunset? I'm not sure. Do I want to put one more? No, because in nature, 3s are better. So what we have to do, even though I want to skewer it now, I don't want to skewer it and spin, because if I skewer it and spin, it's going to warp. So I don't know if this is too simple yet, but let's give it a spin and see what happens if I took off enough paint. Hold on, let's go with this. The colors are really pretty, that's for sure. Okay, I'm gonna bring it down a little bit so it kind of goes like that. I'm gonna go slow at first because I want to control where it goes. One more spin and I'm gonna start shaping it. I probably could have used even less paint, but it's gonna be okay. Look at the colors. Okay, so now this is where our shaping skills come into effect, because right now it doesn't look like anything good or interesting. So I'm going to change my gloves so I don't drip everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna do my painted skewer technique. That's where I dip my skewer in the paint and we can draw and make lines and hopefully make it look good. I love the shape here. I think we can work with it if I don't overwork it. This I'm going to have to really work on to look cool, but all I'm gonna do is dip it and then draw my lines. So I definitely want it to come down, this to come down here. In what way though? Let me think. We're going, oops, don't drip. We're going this way, yeah. Okay, pretty, first one, good. I don't have to work on this one too much, I don't think, because I do like the shape. Let's see. And I think it would be nice to connect them, right?
Yo, me and Daddy are gonna go.
Where are you going?
Staples.
Staples?
Yes, Staples.
Okay. Have fun.
Bye.
Bye.
3 minutes.
Okay. Okay. So obviously I want to do something here, but I like the shape that's happening. Okay. So dip the tip, and this is a beautiful natural thing there. Maybe I don't want to touch that. Maybe I want to do this. Okay. Maybe I want to do that. Okay. Now, for this guy, how does he want to be shaped? Let's start over here. Okay. I guess he wants, does he want to go that way? Yeah, I think he wants to go this way. I don't know if he wants to go that way. Okay, that's better. Okay, I think I've played around with it enough. I'm gonna show you guys a close-up. Is this too simple? Am I crazy? Is it, I don't know, I think it's kind of cool. I mean, I know it's not like, it's sunset inspired, you know what I mean? It's not in your face sunset. I thought I would show you a quick resining. I use iCoat resin, and it's a 1-to-1 ratio of mixing. And I just pour it on. I don't really measure. And I take my hand. Now this is challenging because I'm, taping in one hand, but I like to use my hand because I can feel where there's, spots missing, and then so satisfying. I get all those bublés out. Love that. And you really want to do it a few times until it looks like a mirror. Like I do it with the lights off so I can see better, but see, look, mirror, perfect. Then I cover it. Let's see what it looks like. Here's the final result. I absolutely love it. I love the interference piggies over the dark base. I love the natural flow of the flowers. I love the Persephone and the velvet there together, just as like delicious with the aquamarine. Am I crazy that I love this so much? Just because I think I know how difficult it is to achieve. After all these years, I've always wanted simple, and it's not easy. So I hope you guys love this too. Let me know what you think. Bye.